You sleep 8 hours, you eat fine, you're not sick, but you still feel foggy all day. You start blaming yourself, lazy, unmotivated, broken. But the real problem isn't your sleep. It's your dopamine system, and it's exhausted. Rest fixes your body. It doesn't fix an overloaded brain. You wake up and your mind is still running on yesterday's noise. Notifications, videos, endless scrolling. Every swipe gives you a tiny hit of dopamine, and your brain adjusts to expect it. The more hits you feed it, the less it responds to anything else. Here's the science. Dopamine isn't just about feeling good. It's the chemical that drives motivation and focus. When you flood your brain with constant stimulation, your reward system downregulates. Ordinary things stop feeling interesting. Tasks that used to be easy start feeling heavy. Quiet moments start feeling unbearable because your brain has forgotten how to sit still without a hit. This is a well-documented pattern in addiction and behavioral neuroscience. Overstimulation raises your baseline for what counts as interesting, and everything below that baseline starts to feel like nothing. So here's how you reset it. First, give yourself 1 hour a day with zero screen. No phone, no background noise, just stillness. Second, let yourself be bored on purpose. Don't fill every gap. Third, do one hard thing before you touch your phone each morning. A walk, journaling, cold water, anything that isn't easy. You're not broken. Your brain's just overstimulated. Turn the noise down and your energy comes back on its own.